Okay, I got some students coming, so I'm going to make this as quick as I can. Um, I've color coded these first four. What it's asking for is to set up the proportions. So RS, you can see there in dark blue, is this segment there. Um, is to the pink section, uh, well, and you'll see that in a second, as JR, that light blue section is to KJ. So that light blue is to purple as the dark blue is to the pink. And so what is that pink? That pink is KS. And so we're going to say that missing value is KS. Okay, so let me erase that and we'll do these other two. Um, the second one is going to be using this corollary to the side splitter theorem, which says, let's see, QL, we'll do the same thing. QL, there in dark blue, is to PM where's this PM? On the other side in light blue is to SQ, or as SQ, I should say, as SQ, this in purple right there, is to what? And of course it's going to be that other side, JP or PJ. So we're going to call it, I'll just call it JP. Okay, just one second. And let me do the last one. Let me erase these marks. Um, And I'll get all of this stuff out of here now that we found those solutions. And the last one is, and I'll mark these again, KL, this whole long side of this triangle here, KL is to LW, this bottom side. So we're dealing with the triangle angle bisector theorem. LW as what is to MW, and where's MW is here, across from that. So what we're looking for is this final section here, and that's going to match with the other side here. So that's this. So KL is to LW as KM is to MW. That's it. I think that those are all pretty clear. I think as for this one, it's a little bit of a trick of separating out what you don't need to be seeing from what you do need to be seeing. So making the marks on the paper in color like I did is sometimes helpful. Anyway, there you go. That's your